Welcome to another Baka commentary video. In this video is going to be my analysis / opinion on the AI and the VTuber scene, as both of these things have caught my attention recently, and I have thought, there's a crossover event that is happening with these two things. I might as well talk about it. So, hopefully, by the end of this video, if you're from the VTuber scene, you understand what what AI scene is, and if you're from the AI scene, hopefully you understand what a VTuber is. So, what a VTuber is, or virtual YouTuber, as well, originally it came from the platform YouTube, an individual, real human being like me would be like this on a video control with a camera or some phone or some sophisticated face and body tracking are there to control an avatar. A lot of time, a lot of these VTubers are using basic phone camera system that track their face expression and a lot of the, everything overall on the face. Since the mobile phone technology has really improved and really enabled such things. However, you also have these mega corporations like HoloLive and Nijisanji pumping a lot of money that they get from investor and really push VTuber to the next level, where they're starting to build custom software and space just for VTubing. And as for the AI, this tends to be, group. It will not, a lot of time, yes, it can be done individually. However, a lot of time AI requires a group of people to code, and that code is then there to respond to prompt. With that, basically, before it goes public, they train the algorithm code to ensure it is responding as per the code and / the AI is here to do. However, and the company that you are likely known is Microsoft and OpenAI. I bet you would have heard about that or used about AI, about at least these two companies' involvement. So, how does this AI and VTuber thing becomes a crossover? So recently, for far out to keep this video up, I made aware of a few AI companies that are like trying to breach into the VTuber scene, and I figured, I kind of know a fair bit about VTubing and AI. Why not try to break it down? So, that company in question is trying to be like, hey, VTubers, we're giving you this opportunity of a game award or whatever fucking VTubing award. What do you have to do? You have to give us your IP, your voice, your model, everything of your VTuber to hand it over to us. We are here. We will create a clone of your VTuber, so that VTuber clone is going to have your attitude, your personality, your movement. It's going to move, I assume. However, this is a lot of red flag if you haven't noticed. The AI scene is very, very much a wild, wild west. Those guys, they give zero shit about intellectual property and copyright, as there is multiple times in the AI history, short history, where the AI company just steals shit to use, to train, and they just try and be like, oh no, we didn't steal your thing. When in fact they just did it and just went, yeah, we just used stole asset and IP and be like, yeah, we now use your stolen asset and IP, be like, and we created our own IP. Yeah, it can no longer sue us or take us to court because we now made our own version of it. When in fact, how they made it is by fucking stealing IP. Or they stole. Basically, they are basically. And this AI VTuber company is has be like, yeah, we'll do that for you. But however, if you're in the VTuber scene, you would know the cost of making a VTuber. They are not cheap. A lot of VTubing, a lot of the avatar and everything, before even like buy all the tracking and everything of like phone, you're looking already at 5 figures. And some are going into like 8 figures from what I sometimes see. The phone that you buying or the equipment you're buying to do VTubing, the most costly part isn't the equipment. It is the intellectual property and that model. A lot of time. And basically this company's like, yeah, we're just gonna steal your model, your voice, everything. Yeah. And we're just gonna make a clone of it. Guess what? They probably won't. For those people who don't know, now, and for those people who's like, oh, I don't see a problem with that. The problem with this is there's now a clone of your IP, you and your VTuber, that you may not, you have zero control over. You basically handed over your AI, your VTuber to a corporation, an AI corporation that has zero shit about intellectual property, and they're likely going to use your VTuber model, your voice, your likeness to train that company's original creation AI VTubers with. They'd be like, oh, you already handed out consent. Excellent. You're seeing the problem here. That AI bubble is starting to be like, we know we're gonna pop. We're gonna try and consume other bubbles to try and keep this bubble going. Pump the bubble until it pops. You don't want to be in this AI bubble pop and if you're a VTuber, hopefully you don't get scammed by any of these companies or individuals that are offering these AI VTubers, as clearly I don't think they're going into this AI VTuber thing with the intention of helping you VTubers getting exposure, rather how they are going to make their money off of your hard work and your intellectual and give you nothing back. Anyway, guys, I hope you AI and the VTuber are aware of these potential scams and thieves that are now crawling in the AI industry and the VTuber industry. If you want to spread this awareness, share this video on top of pressing the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.